Let's give a triple scoop moment for the lovely Madison. You deserve it, girl. Today's mystery prize: a cute sports wristband. Three Labubu blind boxes. Three exquisite notebooks. Four decorative towels. Two combs or mirror combs. One jewelry. Two themed Rubik's cubes. Three toiletry or makeup bags. Two pieces of cute stationery. One Pokemon blind box. One water bottle. Two manicure sets. One watch. Alright, that's a wrap on today's unboxing. I had to edit out a few clips to keep it short, but your actual haul is even more packed than what you saw. There's even more to discover.